Welcome to the Jovix Train Station, a learning management system that provides a full suite of online training for all Jovix user levels. This online learning tool allows you to complete courses and assessments at your own pace. The training is automatically assigned based on your Jovix user role, so you can log in and get right to work. This video will show you how. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your personal dashboard. The dashboard contains everything you need to get started. Your training is divided into courses and learning plans. Learning plans are course bundles that are packaged according to subject matter and are generally the best place to start. Click one of your learning plans to get started. The courses in a learning plan are intended to be taken in order from top to bottom. Click the next one in the list to begin. On the course page, you'll see all the learning objects that make up the course. Again, click the next one in the list to start learning. Most courses in the train station consist of 3 parts: a video tutorial, a guided exercise, and a graded assessment. You can take each part as many times as you like, which comes in handy if you need to review or refresh your skills. To quickly navigate the different features of the train station, use the user menu in the upper left. Here you'll have quick access to your dashboard, a complete listing of all your enrolled courses and learning plans, the course catalog where you can browse and enroll in any available course, the My Activities page, which is a comprehensive, detailed look at all your activities in the train station, and the Contact Us link, which allows you to connect directly with the Jovix training team should you have any questions or technical issues while completing your assignments. New this year in the Jovix Train Station is our rewards program. While completing your courses, you'll earn points that you can redeem for helmet stickers, hats, t-shirts, and more. Compete with your colleagues and check your rankings on your custom leaderboard. Everything you need to be a Jovix Pro is all here in the Jovix Train Station.